god of my double chin. Thanks a lot. I'm looking right at your
What the fuck is this?
Bing,
Bing bango. Stop filming me!
No.
Why?
It's on Candyland again.
No, there's more songs than that on here.
I got a feeling. Ooh. Give me more.
I'm tired. I look like total crap. Stop filming me. Are you deleting these videos?
No.
You're not putting them on the computer, are you?
Put them on YouTube.
Don't put them on YouTube.
Oh, the world to see.
Don't put them on Facebook either.
Yeah, I'm going to.
No, not on Facebook.
Yep.
No. Facebook away.
Nudity.
No, don't put it on Facebook.
Yeah.
No, I would have gotten ready if you were going to put stuff on Facebook.
I told you I was putting shit on Facebook.
No, not this video then. Pictures and stuff like video.
Rip pickles. Say bye.
Bye.